To change the font typeface, click the arrow next to the font name and choose a font. Remember that you can preview how the new font will look by highlighting the text and hovering over the new font typeface. To change the font size, click the arrow next to the font size and choose the appropriate size. Or click the increase or decrease font size buttons. Font styles are predefined formatting options that are used to emphasize text. They include bold, italic, and underline. To add these to text, select the text and click the font styles included on the font group of the Home tab, or select the text and right-click to display the font tools. To change the text color, select the text and click the Colors button included on the font group of the ribbon. Word art are styles that can be applied to text to create a visual effect. To apply word art, select the text, click the Insert tab, click the Word Art button, and choose the word art. To modify the styles of word art, select the word art. Click the Format tab for the drawing tools. Click the Word Art Fill button, the Word Art Outline button, or the Text Effects button.